Alright, so tonight you got sent home with a question to work that asks you for the greatest percent change. In class, I told you today that percent change was the amount of change over the original amount. So to solve that, for a question, let's say that your question, I believe it's answer choice H. Let's go with G. Answer choice G says a board measures 17 inches, is cut, and now measures 11 inches. So a board measures 17 inches. 17 inches minus 11 inches, because that's the amount of change. It went from a 17 to an 11. What's the original amount? Well, if the board was 17 inches long, and then you cut it and made it 11 inches long, which one's the original? The 17 or the cut length of 11? Should be obvious. The 17 is the original amount. So I do 17 minus 11. I end up with 6 over 17. And so now what I have to do with that is divide it. Okay, so I take my 6 over 17 and I divide. Put in the top number on the inside and the bottom number on the outside. Okay? So 17 doesn't fit. Decimal, decimal. Add my 0 there. That's not 6 right there. Excuse me, that's a 6 right there. Sorry. Then I put the 0 there. 17 goes into 60. I'm just over at the side doing some multiplication stuff. Yep. Just trying to figure it out. So 17 times, let's go with 5. 35. That's too high. Let's go down to 4. That's still too high. So I'll put my 3, 51, my 9, there we go, we're good. We already got one for it because 17 times 5 is 85. And I got a 90 right here. Okay? So I'll put my 5. Ooh, that is an ugly 5. Subtract my 85 from it, and I got a 50. Because I'm going to drop a 0. Well, too high, too high, too high, so we got to go below 3. Well, 17 times 2 is, it's 34. So put my 2. Do I have to do anything else? I don't have to do anything else. I can stop right there, can't I? Because it's the what number? It's the third number. What do I have to remember to do with that right there? What do I have to remember to do with that right there? With this, let me rewrite that. You can't see it because of the glare. Should be a little bit better. You got to remember to do with that. 2 hops, because you need to make it into a percentage. So 35.2%. What's that 2 telling that 5 to do? That's correct. Stay the same. So for answer choice B, the percentage, 35%.